Hey there, my name is Lautaro, and welcome to another video about designing a product from scratch. Today, I'm going to show you how I designed and manufactured a pour-over coffee set. So I hope you enjoy the process, and let's get into it. The idea behind this coffee set is that it can be used in two ways, with a stand to support the brewer or without it. So the goal is to design a brewer and a carafe that fit together. It will also be designed for use with Kalita filter papers and conical filter papers. After coming up with various formal alternatives, it's time to 3D model them. Chamfer 3D's intuitive interface and powerful tools allow me to quickly create and adjust the design. Once the design alternatives are defined, it's time to print and test them. 3D printing allows for the creation of functional prototypes in a short amount of time, which speeds up the design and product development process. With these prototypes, we can test the spout's pouring capability, the handle's comfort, the angles, and whether paper filters fit properly in the brewer. This helps validate concept quickly before mass production. Once all the critical aspect has been verified through the 3D printed prototypes, it's time to prepare the final design for manufacturing. Here we can see what I mean by the brewer and carafe fitting together due to the angles. This will allow the coffee set to be used without the need for the stainless steel stand. Here we can see the potential of Chamfer 3D, as it's not only a 3D modeling tool, but also allow you to visualize the product with real materials. Chamfer 3D's rendering capabilities provide a realistic preview of the final product, making it easier to spot any necessary adjustment before production. Once the design is ready, it's time to export it. In addition to send the 3D files to my supplier, I will also include technical drawings, a bill of materials, finishes, 3D visualizations, and a document detailing all useful information to ensure the samples are error-free. These products were hand-blown using high-quality borosilicate glass. once we have the samples, it's time to test them. So I will make a coffee from Brazil. For this case, I use 15 grams of coffee and 250 ml of water. We have our cup ready. Now it's time to enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this useful and enjoyed the process. See you on the next video.